Heated rivalry didn't just slide onto our screens. It took the streaming world by storm, providing that the chemistry between Shane Hollander and Ilya Rozanov is enough to melt any ring. But as the dust settles on their secret friendship, we are left with one burning question: what happens now? Today we are breaking down everything we know about season 2, from the transition into the long game to the emotional hurdles that might finally break the NHL's most iconic rivals. Season 2 of Heated Rivalry is officially greenlit, and since the first season concluded the events of the original book, the next chapter will shift focus towards its acclaimed sequel, The Long Game. Based on the show's renewal details from late 2025 and the source material, here is what is expected to happen in season 2. The story jumps ahead to a time when Shane and Ilya have been together for years but are still living in secret. The conflict shifts from do we like each other or how do we build a real life together without the world finding out. A major plot point involves Ilya wanting to leave his team to be closer to Shane. This brings up team switch rumors and the potential for the two rivals to finally play in the same city or even on the same team. Expectations are high for an Olympic subplot where Shane and Ilya must play for their respective countries, forcing their professional rivalry and personal love into a direct high stakes collision. We will likely see Ilya deal with the trauma of his past and the pressure of his public persona, potentially including a therapy arc that was a highlight of the book sequel. Shane's struggle with being the perfect hockey golden boy while keeping such a massive secret is expected to reach a breaking point, especially as his leadership roles on his team increase. As the second season of Heated Rivalry was just renewed in late 2025, there is no official release date for the upcoming season, but we can speculate that the second season of this TV series will be released sometime in 2026 or 2027. As much as we want season 2 right now, maybe the wait is a good thing. It gives us time to sit with that season 1 finale and really understand what Shane and Ilya are up against. They have spent a decade in the shadows, and moving into the long game means watching them finally decide if their love is worth the risk of losing the only world they have ever known. It's going to be emotional, it's going to be messy, and if the first season was any indication, it's going to be unforgettable. But I want to hear from you. Which scene from the books are you absolutely dying to see on screen? So that's it for now. For more updates, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.